Hello, my name is Aiden. Today, I'm going to talk to you about cell phone addiction. A smartphone addiction is a disorder involving compulsive overuse of the mobile devices, usually quantified as the number of times users access their devices and or the total amount of time they are online over a specified period of time. What the addiction is basically like how teens are like overusing their phone and they're constantly on it, And teens are extremely vulnerable to developing a cell phone addiction. The human brain isn't fully developed until about 25 years of age. There are decreased brain connectivity in teens who suffer from cell phone addiction. Problems in parts of the brain that are responsible for decision making, impulsive control, and emotional regulation. Teens with a smartphone addiction are more likely to drink alcohol, use tobacco, and have poor diets. These teens may experience social isolation due to excessive cell phone use. Here are some statistics on how many people, well, not how many people, but how many times like people will touch their phone a day. So people will, on an average, each day, will touch their phone at least 2,617 times per day. iPhone owners will unlock their phones at least 80 times per day. And then Americans spend an average of 5 hours per day browsing the internet and social media. And then 50% of young people, as in teens, admit cell phone addiction. They admitted it. They're constantly on their phones. Like, they have no disagree. And here's a story about a 12-year-old girl who is now 15, and when she got her first iPhone, she would never get off of it. She would keep, all she would do was she would go on social media. She turned socially awkward. She wouldn't talk to anybody anymore. So, and then now, she's less on her phone, she's more active. And yeah. Alright. In conclusion, most people should stop using their phone. It's not it's a serious problem. Young teens nowadays are some are committing suicide because they just they're on their phones so much, and then they see all these things, and then they become socially awkward, and sometimes they get bullied and people just make fun of them, and then they end up committing suicide. But other than that, you should really just stop using your phone. It's not the greatest thing.